Family members. In this lesson, you will learn the names of the members of the family. Father, nna. Husband, di. Mother, nne. Wife, nwunye. Child, nwa or nwa. Man, if you like male. Nwoke, woman, in bracket, female. Nwanyi, son, nwa nwoke. Daughter, nwa nwanyi. Brother or sister is nwanne. So nwanne means the child of a mother. So nwannem, my mother's child. So that is my sibling. So brother, sister is nwanne. If you want to be specific, brother is nwanne nwoke. So male sibling. Sister, nwanne nwanyi. Grandfather, nna nna. So paternal grandfather is nna nna. So nna nna is father's father. Then on the mother's side, the maternal grandfather is nna ochie. Grandmother, nne nna. Nne nna is father's mother. On the maternal side, that is mother's mother, is nne ochie. Uncle, dede, or the short form, de. Aunt, dada, or da. Now, when children say Uncle Emeka or Auntie Ify, they don't mean their real uncles or aunties. They are referring to their teachers or their daddy's friends when they say Uncle Emeka. So that uncle might not be a relative, it's just a teacher or somebody like that. So if you want to be specific, instead of de, you say nwanne nna. So nwanne nna is father's brother, or nwanne nne, that's mother's brother. So that is the real uncle, not the school teacher uncle. Cousin. So anybody is your cousin. You just refer to the person as a brother. So brother or sister is nwanne. Then if is your cousin from your dad's side, you can also say nwanna. That's my father's child. So this will vary greatly from community to community. For instance, in my community, I will refer to my cousin as nwanwa ibem. That's nwanwa ibem. That's my cousin. But different communities have their terminologies. So plural form, wherever you see nwa in plural, you can change it to umu. So nwanne is brother or sister or sibling. Now, if there are two, then it's ụmụnne. So instead of nwa, you have umu. So if you have two sisters, then they are ụmụnne. or if you have two siblings, ụmụ. So wherever there's nwa, then the plural is ụmụ. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.